Hello students, let's read this question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So the first equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. So let's start the solution. In first we have the quadratic equation as 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. Comparing this equation with the standard quadratic equation which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we get the values of ABC as a equals to 2, b equals to k, and c equals to 3. We have to find the value of determinant, which is b square minus 4ac. So putting values here, we get k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So we get the determinant as k square minus 24. So as we know, for equal roots, determinant should be equals to 0. That means k square minus 24 should be equals to 0. So from this, we can write that k square should be equals to 24. That means value of k should be equals to plus minus under root 24, or we can say that k should be equals to plus minus 2 root 6. Now move on to the second equation, which is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0, or we can simplify it as kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Comparing this with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So from this comparison, we get the value of a as k, and value of b as minus 2k, and value of c as 6. So let's calculate the determinant, which is b square minus 4ac. Putting values here, we get minus 2k square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6. This will give us 4k square minus 24k. As we know, for equal roots, the value of determinant should be equals to 0. That means 4k square minus 24k should be equals to 0. We can take 4k common. Inside we get k minus 6 should be equals to 0. That means either 4k equals to 0 or k minus 6 should be equals to 0. That means we get two values of k, which are k equals to 0 or k equals to 6. Now we can say that, however, if k equals to 0, if we take k equals to 0, then the equation will not have the terms of x square and x. Therefore, we take the value of k equals to 6 only. So we have found out the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.